Alright guys, welcome back to this channel. Once more, I welcome you back. Especially today, I will be teaching you how to remove background from any image. Yes, apart from the website I've discussed about, so you can remove background from any image. I've made a video about Viz Express, so you can also use this website to remove background from any image. All you need to do is, I'll make this video as short as possible. All you need to do is click on image tools. Once you click it, there are other functions. Locate background remover, click on it, then you click on this plus button, then you locate the image you want to remove the background. Let me see any of my image with background. Let me see the great background. Okay, let me use this one. This is the one I want to use. So I've attached the picture, as you can see. This is it. Then this is the before background, this is the after background. So if also you want to change the background to something different, you can also change it here. All you need to do is you select the background that you want to. So all you need to do is you select background. So which background do you want to give it? Or this is a custom background. If you want to customize your background, you want to give it another background, let's say you can also search for a specific background. They have it. If you don't see any background you want, so you can just come here. Once you come here, you click on search. Search, let's say studio. Select background. Click on select background. Click on search. Click on search for studio. I want to search for studio. Studio. It's filling everything. Studio. Let's see what it gives us. Let's see what it gives. Wow, there are different studios. So, select any studio of your choice. Let's take this. I've selected the background. As you can see, this is the after background here. As you can see, done. This is the before, and this is what it is now. This is what it is now. Very simple. Then you now download your image. Okay, let it download so that we'll see what we have now. It's successfully downloaded. So I will go to my download. Follow me. So I will minimize this. This is my download. Let me bring it to desktop so that I'll open it for you to see properly. And I'll open it so that you see what it looks like. Now this is the same image that I uploaded. Wow. If you find value in this video, please subscribe, share this video, and comment on the comment section till I come your way again. If you have any contribution, also drop it on the comment section. Don't forget to wait for me next time and engage with me. Thank you very much.